Hey, we are here at the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta, Georgia, something that Wes and I have been wanting to do for quite a while. We are super excited. We're gonna go drink lots of Coke from all over the world. Let's go do this.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this old Coke machine.
Do you remember when they had the push buttons like that?
Yeah, you used to go up and you'd go like, boop.
I always like the big Coke button.
That is
really
awesome.
Cool.
All right, we just watched the promotional video in the big theater and the screen raised up and these doors opened up. So we are headed into the self-guided tour portion of the World of Coca-Cola.
Wow. On the wall they have something that says, a bottle is so distinct that it can be recognized by touch in the dark or when lying broken on the ground. There you have it.
It's a big vault door behind us. Right there. Right there.
There must be some really special stuff in this vault.
I bet you the secret formula to Coca-Cola is in there. You think?
Probably not.
Probably not. They probably wouldn't make it that accessible to people. You can do a self-guided tour, which is what we're doing, and there's also a guided tour.
There is.
But we kind of wanted to take things at our own pace today. We just flew into Atlanta this morning. So
We decided to do the World of Coke tour.
on a whim. And we're taking you guys along with us. What's your favorite Coca-Cola beverage? Is it Coca-Cola Classic? Is it
Diet Coke?
Diet Coke? Is it Coke Zero?
Cherry Coke.
Cherry Coke?
Let us know. We want to hear.
Or is it Beverly? What does it taste like to you?
It tastes like medicine. It
Tastes like medicine?
Like medicine. There's a reel somewhere on Instagram. It tastes like medicine.
More on that soon.
Oh. At the heart of Coca-Cola, there is a secret. What is that secret? We're gonna find out.
We are in the Coca-Cola vault. It looks like behind us they have a lot of... She's photobombing me. It's like they have a lot of old relics back when Coca-Cola was first being invented. What do we got in here, babe?
Prescription bottles. They look kind of like prescription bottles, like something you'd find in a pharmacy or a doctor's office.
I think there might be some truth to that.
Is Coca-Cola medicinal?
Makes me feel better. John Pemberton conjured up the first batch of Coca-Cola in his house on Marietta Street, having moved to Atlanta in 1870 from Columbus, Georgia. That Columbus, Georgia is where my parents grew up. Oh, live feed. There I am. They've caught me. All these like secret ingredients. This guy paid $2,300 to acquire the formula and all rights to Coca-Cola. I would say that was well worth the investment. So what's really interesting is if you watch the show on the History Channel called The Food That Built America, there's an entire episode dedicated to how Coca-Cola came to be, which is really interesting. If you like Coca-Cola, check that out, but also check out the World of Coke.
Which Coke are you most excited to try?
Just the regular good old US of A Coca-Cola. That's my favorite. That's my favorite soda. But I'll try Beverly too, just because, you know, while you're here, you got to, I guess. Ah! Secret formula.
So apparently Coca-Cola got its bubbles by accident. It was a pharmacy that mistakenly added carbonated water instead of plain water to the Coca-Cola syrup. Well, we all love that fizz, so that was a good mistake.
Rumor has it only 2 people know the secret. Their identities are never revealed. They can't travel together. Each person only knows half the formula.
So share a Coke. Be part of the magic. We'll keep the secret.
So allegedly, this vault over here in the corner is the actual vault where the Coca-Cola recipe is written down.
That is so crazy.
It's got a handwritten copy, and since the written copy went in there, I think she said in 2011?
Yep.
It has not been back open yet. If that is the real vault where it is, that is awesome.
And if you pass the line, the alarm will go off. It is an active safe.
There it is, getting sealed off.
It's a pretty cool Coca-Cola delivery truck.
So this should look pretty familiar to some of you that watch our vlogs. That is the Coca-Cola refreshment stand in City Walk. It's at Universal Orlando. Coca-Cola swag. This is insane. Quite a collection. I think this is the area most people go to when they come here to the World of Coke in Atlanta, is the Taste It.
We're gonna go taste some Coca-Cola now.
Let's do it. I am thirsty. Oh, you know what? I can already feel the floor stickiness.
Oh yeah. Oh look, chili.
Wifey is of Chilean descent, so she's gonna try the chili one. Chile. Let's see what she thinks.
Chile. Manzana roja. That is red apple in Spanish.
It looks like beer.
Kind of tastes like a red delicious apple. Like very subtle, but it's actually really good.
Which one do you want after next?
I'm gonna try fizzy tea from Venezuela.
All right, let's do it. All right.
It's like peach tea. So we've tried all of the drinks at Station 1. The high C lemonade, yes, thumbs up. Acai, blueberry pomegranate, not really good. Fuzzy tea, it's okay. Thumbs up, tastes kind of like Coca-Cola. Dominican Republic Country Club, it's all right. Fanta pineapple, big thumbs up. Chili, not a lot of flavor, pretty good. Fanta Costa Rica, pretty good.
My feet are sticking to the ground. All right, this is Aquarius Libre from Spain. That's good. It's actually kind of almost like a Sprite. This is Mezzo Mix from Germany. It has an orange on it, but it doesn't look orange. Nah, Madagascar. It almost tastes like banana soda.
This is Germany.
I had hopes because they have good German beer.
I like it, but I think this
Oh, that is worse than Beverly.
No, I still say Beverly tastes worse.
No, this is terrible. China, cheers.
And cut. Oh, you want me to try this after I just saw what you did with your face?
Yes.
It tastes like if barbecue sauce was a soda.
We're gonna do Beverly together.
Oh, that's enough.
All right. Cheers to Beverly and the World of Coke. Ready? Go.
God, that stuff's horrible. Beverly. This tasting room is really busy. So if you come here, be prepared to be patient to get to the tasting stations because there's a lot of people here. We found the original
The
taste.
original Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola on tap. Cheers, baby.
Refreshing, as always.
That's the best one on the floor.
This is where it's at.
Wow.
Welcome to my world. My favorite part, shopping. Look at these Twinkies.
She found her onesie.
It's
I have a
so
feeling you'd sweat in it.
soft. Yeah.
Wow, that is soft. It's got the polar bear on it. How about these? It's the polar bear boxers.
There's a lot of cute stuff in here. A lot. Everything and anything that you want Coca-Cola, they've got it here.
The thing I haven't seen in here is a cooler with bottles of Coca-Cola.
I'm sure it's over by the register.
But I don't know if I want one. That
know.
is so much soda in there.
We had a lot of
Oh
soda.
my gosh. We need to go find a Bojangles so I can get a biscuit in my stomach. We saw, we got really caffeinated. There's
That
so
was
much
really
soda
cool.
in that building behind us. We've been wanting to come to the World of Coca-Cola for a long time.
And we got to try Beverly.
You know what? I don't know what it is with your obsession with Beverly, but it is the most awful soda I have ever had in my life.
I don't know what it is, but Beverly was actually really good today.
No. And a close second on the terrible scale was the soda from China that tasted like cold barbecue sauce. That was nasty. Even the lady at the checkout was like, nasty. That was gross.
You know what the golden ticket was on this one?
What?
You actually got to have Coke at the end of the whole thing.
Yes. After you've totally destroyed your taste buds, you get to try regular Coke at the end.
If you're in Atlanta, we highly recommend stopping here at the World of Coke. If you love Coke, I think one of the coolest experiences was actually seeing the vault where they have the secret recipe.
And that building sits the secret recipe to Coca-Cola.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you liked our video, please give us a big like down below, and remember,
It's always Coca-Cola.
we are here at the World of Coke in Atlanta, Georgia. We're super we are super excited. This is something we are here at we are here at the World of Coke.
We have bubbly beverages.